Have you ever designed something in Canva that looks good but still feels kind of flat, no depth, no pop, no wow factor? Here is the truth. One simple shadow can completely transform your Canva designs. And most people either don't know where to find it or they are using it in the wrong way. Hey, this is Saif from Digi Whisper, and in this video I'll show you every single way to add shadows in Canva elements, from basic shadow to pro level tricks that instantly make your designs look premium. So if you want your thumbnails, post or presentation to stand out without complicated tools, let's fix that right now. Now I will show you how to add shadows in Canva element. Let's say we want to add shadow effects in our any types of elements in Canva. How we can do this? First, add your element in Canva. Let's say I want to add an image here in my canvas. So let's say I want to add shadow effects in this image. How I can do this? Click on your element and click on the edit button, and here you will find the effects option. Here click the shadow, and here I can add drop shadow. So see how it will look like. I can add curved shadow, so it will look like this. I can add backdrop shadow, so it will look like this. I can add angle shadow. I can add page lift. I can add curved. I can in fact add outline of this image. I can add drop. I can add glow. You can also control color, size of the amount, and blur and intensity, everything from the below options. So let's say now I want to add an icon here. So I want to add a graphics icon related to, let's say, productivity. I'm searching here and want to get graphics related to productivity, and here clicking graphics, and let's say I want to add this icon here, and I want to add shadows. Click here and click the edit button, and here click the shadow option, and here again you can add different types of shadow. You can add different types of shadow to any of your elements. So in this way you can add shadow to any of the Canva element you want to use in your design. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the Digi Whisper channel.